Handa ka na ba sa isang destinasyon kung saan pangarap mo'y magsisimula? Handa ka na bang maging biyuyan?
Mabuhay! Welcome to the premier state university in the Bicol region, Bicol University. Founded on June 21, 1969, through the passage of RA 5521, Bicol University has a vision of a university for humanity, characterized by productive scholarship, transformative leadership, collaborative service, and distinctive character for sustainable societies. So guys, I'm here with Jamie and tatanungin natin siya if why did she choose Bicol University? So why did you choose Bicol University po?
I choose Bicol University because I think na mabibigyan ako ng university na to ng expected na future para sa akin, and I want to expand my talents and my career na I will bring in the future na proud Bicol University students ako, and I think this is university, sa tingin ko dito mag-enjoy ako, and as I learning is madami akong mga experiences.
Okay po, thank you po. Why did you choose Bicol University po?
Aside from free tuition po baga, din po, nag-offer po kasi sila ng quality education, as alam naman po natin lahat din. And then, din po, nag-offer din sila ng wide variety of courses, which is, nandito po yung course na pinili ko. Kaya ito po yung university na talagang in-aim ko talaga na mapasok po dito.
Bicol University has a lot of activities and events na talaga namang ina-enjoy ng mga estudyante, like the BU Olympics and BU Hataw.
The Bicol University is comprised of different colleges, one of which is the College of Business, Economics, and Management.
Ang SBEM ay binubuo ng iba't ibang departamento, kagaya ng Accountancy, Economics at ang BSBA programs. Siyempre, ang aming departamento kung saan matatagpuan ang matatapang, matatalino at ang magagaling, ang BSBA Management.
Why did you choose management?
I chose management po because in the future, I might end up taking over my family's business.
Why did you choose management?
Kasi dito daw po kami yayaman.
Headed by our BSBA Management Advisor, Ma'am Gemma Sarte, our organization named Junior Institute of Management, or JIM.
Our program conducts a lot of activities and events which participated by its members. This strengthens our bonds and train us to become a well-disciplined person.
What are your memorable experiences so far on your program?
So far, yung pagtawag pa lang ni ma'am na gumawa ng board work. Pero kung sa seryoso, yung pagsama ko with my college friends na ang dami namin nagagawa.
Kaya saan ka pa? Sa BSBA Management na!